Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Hay Day. First, download the game from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, launch the game and follow the friendly Scarecrow's instructions through the initial tutorial. This guided tour will teach you the fundamental actions like planting crops, feeding animals, and collecting goods. It's crucial to grasp these basics to build a successful farm from day one. Effective resource management is key to a thriving farm. Always keep your fields busy by planting a variety of crops, like wheat and corn, which grow quickly. Remember to feed your chickens, cows, and pigs consistently to gather their valuable products. As your farm grows, you'll quickly need more space. Prioritize upgrading your barn and silo to increase your storage capacity for all your harvested goods and animal products. Earning coins is essential for farm expansion. The roadside shop is your primary tool for selling surplus items to other players at prices you set. Don't forget to check your truck orders and boat shipments. Completing these tasks provides significant experience points and a good amount of coins. Additionally, town visitors will occasionally stop by your farm, offering coins and experience for specific items, so keep an eye out for them. As you gain experience and level up, new production buildings like the bakery and dairy will become available, allowing you to create more complex goods. Consider joining a neighborhood to connect with other players, trade items, and compete in weekly derbies for fantastic rewards. Finally, continuously expand your farmland by collecting land deeds, mallets, and stakes, giving you more space for crops, animals, and buildings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.